नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय श्री कृष्ण में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो जैसा कि आप थंबनेल और इस फर्स्ट स्लाइड से आपको दिख रहा होगा कि टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द आईपीआरसी कट ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन एंड स्किल टेस्ट टिप्स एज वेल एज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू give a free HSFC online mock test. As you know, today is the date 19th of May 2022. So before going to this full slide, just I want to tell you, don't skip the video. Just I will take your next 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and please bear with me, and I will try to give the maximum information whatever I have regarding this cut-off prediction as well as online mock test. Okay, and as well as I will also try to introduce some online courses that will be provided by jasutra.com, so you can also go there. So I will let me allow some times. Okay, so let's come. Just I am a Jasutra. These are my exam experience. That's why I am giving lecture upon you, as well as I have cleared so many exam also. So if you want any type of information, anything, so you can visit our website jasutra.com, and please register, create your account in www.jasutra.com for free demo test. Okay, and for any career related guidance, information, anything you require, please join our Telegram channel as well as all social media accounts you can follow and directly message us. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. This is the disclaimer about me, as I work somewhere, so I have to give, and please note about that each and every opinion which I am telling here, any of my social media presence in public, that is completely my opinion. Okay, so competition are not enemy, they are people who keep reminding you for your own shortcoming. Okay, so whatever the people who are preparing for all the, you can tell, any competition examinations, anything, all have competitor. They are not enemy, they all are people which reminding you, you have to do the work, you have to overcome with your shortcoming. That's told by Sadhguru. Okay, so if you want to follow me any things, you can message me here, and see, just don't log in as a guest ID on, if you are getting some messenger ID on Jasutra website, please log in with your ID, because after you are logging, asking any question with the guest ID, after 12 hours we don't know who you are. So that's why please log in with your real ID. Okay, and Instagram you can follow us, you can ask, Twitter you can tag me, and anything you can message, a text message as well as WhatsApp message. Okay, and if anything you want to ask in detail, you can write us. Okay, so okay, so today is the date of when I am recording this video. It is approximately today is 18th of May 2022 and 10:49 p.m. right now. Okay, so if I will upload the video, you maybe get tomorrow. Okay, means 19th of May. So today, so 19 only, so 19 only we are keeping the free mock test for all, free mock test HSFC for all. So please, who are watching this video, as well as you can share this information to any of the all the of Telegram group. As you know, earlier we also handled Telegram group, lot of people are there, but due to some issue I have terminated all the Telegram group. That's why I am not having direct contact with all the people in any Telegram group. So I can request to all of my viewer as well as my subscriber, please take the screenshot. Otherwise you can also message any of the Telegram group, so that people can take the advantage of a free mock test of the HSFC, because examination is scheduled on 22. So please just, if you want to give the free mock test, just visit to jasutra.com, click on create account, and click your fill your detail and create the account, just it, and just log in on 8 p.m. on 19 May 2022. You will get in your account, you will test, you can just start the test, you can give the test, and you will get the immediately your rank and marks also, and as far as detailed solution we will also upload. Okay, So one thing, old student who are already having account in jasutra.com, they need not to make again any accounts. Automatically this test we will assign to them, but a new student who never make any account on jasutra.com, they need to make the account to participate this test also. Test will be for EC and mechanical full test. For fitter we also have assigned, so for 30 question we will assign for fitter, okay, because all the 60 question we have not get till now from fitter faculty, okay. Anyway, from tomorrow if you will get, can get also 60 also, but for electronics and mechanical engineering full length test we will get, and fitter also we will try to give all the test, okay. So who is tomorrow test is for EC and mechanical and fitter ITI, because these fellow having the exam on 22 May HSFC exam in Bangalore. So 19 you just give the exam in free mind, fresh mind, and just chill out, and 20 you can start the journey, because 22 or 21 evening you will be in Bangalore, okay. So please attend this free mock test who are here watching this video, ठीक है भाई लोग, तो ज़रूर इस mock test में भाग लीजिए. Now just I want to tell, because IPRC skill test is scheduled next month, after next month, mainly in July, and then you have to give the HSFC skill test also, then ST-SC skill test also, then remaining you will get have the SAC skill test also. So at least 4 center you having a skill test. So we are going to start our classes, and very soon we will get our app also. So just visit www.myclass.jasutra.com, and we are going to start the skill test batch from 1st of the June 2022, and here we will give all the overview of the skill test, what is this, what will be the syllabus, and what type the question, probable question is there, what we should prepare, everything we will discuss, and as well as on virtual mode whatever required, all the practical and demonstration we will discuss. So if you want to join this skill test batch, you can go and this website myclass.jasutra.com, and you can purchase from there. And if you will utilize the Jasutra 50 this coupon code, you will get 50 rupees flat discount also. And foundation online classroom batch for mechanical and electronics we are also going to launch from July 1st 2020 onward. So here we will this will be 12-month full classroom program. We will discuss all the basics to advanced level of the classes and program. You can go there. You can also enroll from 1st July. Enroll there from 1st July onward. We will start the courses. Okay. So here also you can use this coupon code. Okay. So this is the new announcement from us who are waiting from very beginning of the times. So you can consider these classes if you want to interact with us, direct communication, as well if you want to learn the advanced level of the learning from qualified as well as you can professional teachers. Okay. So let's online test series also be having, currently be having full more than 20 plus test active for ISRO as well as we will also include more like BARC, IGCR, RRCAT, all the test we will add. So right now we having 20 plus test active for mechanical as well as electronics EC. We will also going to include for ITI people also. So right now you can also purchase if you want to enhance your skills and you enhance your you can competition skill for ST-SC, otherwise all other remaining ISRO examination, that you can visit and register online test series. Okay, so mixed up all the exam test will get in future. So right now very price is very less, but after 1st of the June we will increase, because we will combine all the batches, so that will be increased to more double of the things. So right now the things, if you want to consider this test, then then you can enroll there. Old student need not to buy again, but when we will announce the another set of the test series, they have to buy. That we will tell separately. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the IPRC TA questions solution. Already, sorry, these things we already have discussed, and IPRC EC, ITI EC, and mechanical and ITI fit are all question are uploaded on our website. Sorry, website, I'm telling you, on YouTube channel. You can watch there, and you can just take the advantage of these solutions. Okay. Now IPRC TXPT cutoff for electronics and communication engineering. See, I have started the survey on website, as we have I am not having the so much enrichment to all the, you can tell, Telegram and each every group. So just I on video through I am not making the regular video on YouTube. That's why very less sample I have got, around mostly 50 sample I get. So out of 50 sample I got 176 highest marks in electronics and 115 in lowest marks in electronics. So all the sample I have average due as per the category based, and I tried to make the what is the cutoff. So see, this is the unofficial cutoff. See, this is the unofficial cutoff, that is our the prediction. So as you know, total vacancies is 3, unreserved 1, EWS 0, OBC 1, SC 1, and out of these 3 vacancies, this is reserved 1 candidate for handicapped, hearing handicapped, you can tell. So any of the 3 out of 3, 1 vacancy will go for this fellow, any of the either unreserved, OBC, SC. So you can tell the for open means only 2 vacancies is there. So competition is very tough this time. Question was very moderate level for a diploma. The people who have completed BTech plus diploma, for them this exam level was very easy. Okay, so any one they having average attempt of 55 to like between 58. So approx 58 average attempt was there. So very large cutoff is desired. Okay. So total 4800 admit card was generated. So according to this, for my view, this competition level was very tough, and out of 3 vacancy only 18 to 20 people will be called for a skill test. Okay, roughly 1:6 ratio is their standard ratio, but if they can make the 10:3, so 30 people they can make. Okay, so 30 people they can definitely they can maximum they can call for the skill test. Right now 3 vacancies there, so 3:6, 18 people can be called, or maximum 30 people can be called. Okay, 1:10 ratio if we will consider. So accordingly, I told once again, this is unofficial and just based upon the sample what I have got through the survey. I told highest mark the people got 176, lowest marks 115. So in between these marks I rating out of 180. So minimum I think my consideration is there for a for a screening in the for a skill test. Minimum 144 marks required for unreserved, 144 EWS, 135 for OBC, and SC 125, and PH means handicap minimum 125 and above required. So this may be vary. Once official cutoff confirmation will come, then I will update about that. But according to my intelligence, as well as whatever the sample I got from you student, as well as the discussion with my colleague, according to the question level, minimum required this much. That is my prediction. Okay. Now for mechanical having slightly more vacancies, 7 vacancies was there, but out of that 3 unreserved, 1 EWS, 2 OBC and 1 SC candidate. Out of this, 1 handicap vacancies identified among these. So anyone, any you can tell the any of the unreserved, EWS, OBS from any of the you can tell community, this vacancy can be filled. Okay, so minimum 42 candidate can be called, or maximum 70 candidate can be called for the skill test. So exam level same for moderate diploma level, for BTech and diploma very easy, and average attempt by 55 for mechanical candidate. And I got the maximum marks sample for in my survey. So maximum marks I got in my survey was 174. Okay, so the people who got maximum marks 174 and minimum marks I got 128. Okay, so this I got from mechanical side. So I made the average and some of the calculation correction factor, and I just according to my knowledge it was around 5400 candidate I have given the admit card approx. So again here competition level was very tough. So I told already minimum 42 people will be called for the skill test 1:6 ratio. So cutoff expected according to me for mechanical 141 for UR, 139 for EWS and 140 for OBC, because many people in OBC having the highest marks more than 140. So average it's come 140. For AC it was 132 and PH 170 only. So again I am telling this is unofficial according to my intelligence, always whatever the survey sample I got, based upon that only I had the conclusion with you can tell the discussion with my colleague and other co-fellow. This is the minimum required marks for expecting to calling in skill test. Okay, so these are the IPRC analysis. And I want to tell you, if you want to a skill test preparation, you can join our course, as well as you can get the full syllabus of the skill test you want. You can just mail me on helpdesk@jasutta.com, and I will share that. So I once again I want to tell, once your STSC and HFC examination will finish, just revise your important theory and practical numerical field selection, and talk with someone who appeared in a skill test, and prepare your own. It is a practical test, doesn't help any coaching unless you don't know. Just I am telling with frank in my if you are doing the practical, then it is more chance of the selection. Okay, so go any workshop or law of any college and repeat all the lab and familiar with the all instrument and practical as per syllabus. If you want to know better, you can join us. Okay, and don't disclose your skill test question to anymore till your selection. Okay, na? Don't give your personal data to anymore until the selection. This also I want to tell. Why this I will tell once you will selected in then I will discuss separately. Okay, so once again I want to tell, join our Telegram channel as well as our social media handle, where I will update all the things today onwards. And please if you are new to this channel, because you already know my channel was terminated for more than 8 months. So my channel was right now is very initial stage. So once again I have required your support. So please like, share and subscribe. At least you share my video and my whatever things you required, my channels and website link to minimum 6 of the people, your friends, so that once again I will get your support and my channel will once again will come in action. So thank you. This is the disclaimer once again. Anything if you require anything every available here, that is from personal my view, not my any of the authority. Okay, so any doubt please message me on WhatsApp. I already given WhatsApp number, and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can write the email on this. I will do the reply within 12 hours. So thank you. Thank you very much. Please like my Facebook page. This is the handle. Instagram, please follow me. At Twitter, you can follow me, and WhatsApp on this. And please write the mail. Your follow is matter to me. Please like and make the comment as well as you can do. So thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much to bear with me.